Hey y'all, we're out here at the farm. We're doing some grain bin scooping today. And for y'all that don't know, it's where we put all our corn and soybeans. And there's an auger in there that takes it all and puts it at the top and dumps it into the truck. But I hope y'all enjoy. Just got a mask and we're ready to roll. So we just finished the first bin. There was only like half a load in there or so. So now we're doing the second bin. It's probably gonna finish it off easy because it was above the door on the bin. So we probably want to get in. My dad's in there right now. And yeah, so we should be done in about 30 minutes or so. Holding it? Huh? Oh, wrong one. So we just finished everything up. We finished the first bin and we did a little bit of the second one. But yeah, we're gonna be doing it tomorrow and the next day, so we got a little bit of work ahead of us. All right. Time to go do a little bit of mowing. Back where that tractor was parked. Get the spot? Okay. It was super tall the other day when we mowed, so the property line right here probably needs to be mowed again. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Let's get this closed. There we go. Well, now it's time to go all the way back down the death-defying ladder. All right, there we go. How was that grain bin experience, sir?
Sweaty.
Sweaty. Anything else you gotta add?
Hot.
Anything else?
Unpleasant.
Hey guys, it's Friday, 2 days after the first bin we did. We have a little bit left in one bin, and then we have another bin to do. And yeah, I think we're gonna get 2 loads done today. So we're gonna try and do that if we have enough time.
I heard something squeak just a little bit. Like a belt flipped up a second, and squeak, that was it.
So we had a problem with one of the breakers that runs the auger overheating, so we had to let it cool down before we could start again. So we just got our first load of the day. We finished the little bit left in the first bin, and then we just did about half the second bin. So we went to the house until we had to start scooping again, and we just got here, about to start. Truck's here. I'm about to start soon. So usually every time I'd have to push the sweep like that, it would get caught along these tiny little bolts, and I'd have to push it over top of them, which is kind of annoying, but it was the only way I could get it to work. So we just got it all emptied out. So it's about 95 outside, and it's even hotter in here, so I don't know what that equals, but it's pretty hot. We just got everything finished. It's our last bin of the year. We got it all emptied, and we're ready for harvest. Hope y'all enjoy. Have a blessed day. It was super hot in there. I'm pretty sure you could cook bacon on the walls. I leaned against it once, and it's like cooking you. Or bacon, you know. But yeah.